What is GSTR 2A? So my humble question from everybody in the audience, please answer what is GSTR 2A. Betria Swamiji, please talk English. No problem, sir. We'll do English only. Simple English. What is GSTR 2A? I request everybody to answer, please. सर जीएसटीआर 2A पता नहीं सर, रात को नींद नहीं आती, बस इतना पता है जीएसटीआर 2A 2B को देख के. प्लीज प्लीज जीएसटीआर 2A, व्हाट इज जीएसटीआर 2A? I would love to hear from everybody in the audience so that I can know, okay, nobody is sleeping. Balaram ji, purchases details, GSTR 2A. Okay, almost 400 people are there with us in the webinar. Details of inward supplies. Okay, great sir, great. Thank you so much for the answer. Auto reflection of GSTR1 sales bill, inward supplies. It's a facility extended to taxpayer. Rajendra ji, I loved your answer, sir. It's a facility extended to the taxpayer. It is only a document for reference purpose. Manohar ji, amazing. Just statement of our ITC which is filed by supplier. Purchase details. Good to see such knowledgeable audiences there with us today. Monica ji, details of inward supplies. Inward supply. But the award goes to Manohar ji, and I don't remember the name exactly. Facilitation, they said. Rajendra ji said it is a facility extended to the taxpayer. So the award goes to both of them. Now stop. Let's see what is GSTR 2A. Notification number 79 2020, central text dated 15th October 2020. GSTR 2 is a statement. पता है सर हमें क्यों पढ़ा रहे हो, right? We know that. Why are you teaching us? It is very important to read the basics, dear. Very important. In the end, I am telling you, you will tell me, sir, how to reply to this notice. What to reply for this notice? Section 73 notices, what to reply. Please note down all these points. You have to write down all these points in the reply to the notice. Form GSTR 2 is a statement. Do mention notification number 79. Your notification only, not ours, which has been generated on the basis of the information furnished by your suppliers in the respective GSTR 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? It is a dynamic statement. It keeps on moving. It keeps on fluctuating, right? Invoices keeps on coming and is updated on new addition amendment made by our supplier near real time. The details added by supplier would reflect in corresponding form GSTR 2A of the recipient irrespective of supplier's date of filing. This is GSTR 2A, right? Only these 5-6 points. Optotex, India's #1 GST platform, all because of your love and support, and it is exclusively free for tax professionals. So please, I would request everybody to use Optotex in their offices to reconcile ITC, to download all the beautiful reports we have. And it is trusted by 50,000 plus tax professionals now, who are serving their 1 million plus clients, right? So please make sure that all of you use Optotex in your offices. It will help you a lot. And what are the benefits? How does Optotex help tax professional making GST compliance simple? Sir, automatic reconciliation of ITC, auto fetching of data from 1st July 2017. So if you start using Optotex from today, then also you will be getting the data from 1st July 2017. This is the beauty of Optotex. Third, if you are using any other software, no problem, sir. You can simultaneously also use Optotex. In just 2 minutes, Optotex fetches all data from the government portal. We have got all the due respective approvals from the government, and all the data is fetched in your system for all your clients. You have 500 clients, 200 clients, single dashboard you will be able to see, right? This is the beauty. I think many of my tax professionals, the tax professionals present in the webinar using Optotex, everybody is saying it is very nice. Thank you so much for your love and support, sir. The full facility, opt-in, opt-out facility, IFF, everything is there in Optotex now. What are the differentiators? Live dashboard, multiple users, no installation required, automatic purchase reconciliation with 2A. What's more, you can view cash and credit ledger, download month-wise 2B, GST challan creation, download. Yes, the best part, I'm making an announcement here. We are making the challan payment also automatic now. It will be integrated to your net banking, whatever net banking you are using, and challan payment also you can do now from Optotex. Very soon we are bringing this feature. It took a lot of time for us to take all the approvals from the banks, but yes, we are bringing that features. Skipping this all the basic slides because already many people are using, but still if you're not using, please do sign up and support. We focus a lot on support. This is the phone number. If you want to note down, just call this number and he will guide you how to use Optotex. And sign up you can do yourself. It's just a 1-minute task, but please note down this number. You can call on this number. info@optotex.com is our email ID. YouTube pe we have demo videos. You can see the demo videos and then you can use Optotex. But I would suggest everybody to please start using Optotex. This is the software link, https://gst.optotex.com. Google Chrome browser. It works in desktop or laptop, right? So amazing facility we have given to you. So even from the technical aspect, we are trying to help you. So please utilize this benefit. Ashish ji, sir, rest all the software companies will run from the market as your Optotext. Ashish ji, our motive is not to make anybody run. Our motive is to serve the text professional community, to help the text professional community, make a GST platform, bring all of them together, scratch their brains, learn whatever the provisions are coming up, and work also. Let's make simple.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss important GST updates.